a single crisis can trigger domino effects upon their neighboring nations. And the third, the ongoing crisis reminds us of the inequality opposed to the supposed conformity within the Eurozone. So back to the first point. The Greek Cyprus businesses, there will be 9,000 to 10,000 businesses that will either go bankrupt or reduce business because of this Cyprus crisis going on. The Cyprus tourism economy, which is the 24th largest collected in 2011 according to the World Economic Forum, will also go down because of this crisis. And if Cyprus decides to quit the euro and go back to its Cyprus pound, the Cyprus pound will quickly devalue to the point of more than 50%. And this is really detrimental to the national economy because all of Cyprus's oil is imported and over 80% of its textile, electronic machinery, and automobile are all imported.